Do you want to make custom animations in Davinci Resolve? Well, it's simple, and I will show you how it's done. Just hover onto the Fusion page. You can see the background node, drag it, and drop into the open area. Stretch the background node slightly. Then, drag the paint node and drop that in between. Tap the background node, and in the upper right inspector, dial the alpha back to make the background transparent. Now, tap the paint node, and above the preview window, select Stroke. In the upper right inspector, under the stroke controls, set the stroke animation to right on, and adjust the duration to 30 frames. Now, just left-click on your mouse and draw a circle in your preview window. You can play back the animation. Now, to export that, you go over to the Deliver page. Use Custom Export, and under the format, select QuickTime and set the code for H264. Click on Add to Render Queue. Click Render All, and your circle animation will be ready. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.